Gasim driving school YouTube channel. In this video I will explain how to deal with multi-lane runabout and how to keep your lane on the runabout. Let's start with third exit. As you can see the layout of the runabout, we approach the runabout from the right lane. Now our lane is split, we choose the middle lane. We're going to keep the middle lane and count the exits. We pass the first exit. And this is the second exit. Now we're going to check our left mirror and signal left. Exiting the runabout from the left lane. In this example, we turn in right fourth exit. From the layout, the fourth exit on the right. We approach the runabout and keep to the right lane. This runabout is traffic light control. We enter the runabout and follow our lane, keeping with the white line on the left. Remember, we are not changing lanes on this runabout. We keep our lane all the way around while we counting the exits. Now our lane is split, we choose the middle lane. And this is the second exit. After the third exit, we check our left mirror, signal left to exit the runabout. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.